It's been days of total silence from government, but members of the Pensioner Bondholders Forum resumed their picketing Wednesday. Among them was Commodore Wiredu Anim, retired. He explained how he ended up investing in government bonds.
What I thought I was advised without any aches was the government bonds. I didn't want too much, just a little, to first and foremost look after my health and those who rely on me. My mother is with me. Yeah.
How old is she?
She's past 100. Yes. And I have some children and other people I'm looking after. So I do not intend failing them in this responsibility.
The retired soldier says government's inability to pay his coupons amid his failing health makes him feel used by the state.
Maybe we could have gone on a route march, but look at us. I'm drinking some water. During those days when I was in the Ghana Armed Forces, for a period like this, no water was required. But for this little duration, you see, I'm holding water, drinking water, because the body has been used, and I will say by the government. For almost 40 years, over 38 years that I served the Ghana Armed Forces. During my time, I did my best. And my best was amongst the best, both within the country and outside the country. The missions that I went to, Liberia, Sierra Leone, Cambodia, all these places, I didn't feel the country. I did not feel the country. And I'm expecting that the country, at this stage of my life, will not fail me.
Other bondholders have also been narrating how the lack of funds have distorted their plans.
These ladies are both mentally challenged. They need their medication. Without their medication, this lady might have a stroke. This one, me and her will strip naked and go on the streets and shout. We'll do it together. I'll support her. She needs her medication on a daily basis.
You mean if they go on the street, you would go with them?
I will go with them. I will go with them. Because they need their money. If they don't get their money, they don't get their medication, and then they go on the street. Who is supposed to support them? They are my cousins. They are mine. They belong to me. The money I put into the government bonds is also my money. If I'm willing to keep these two, I'm willing to keep my money as well. I need my money. The children also need my money. All these people here need their money.
I was waiting for the coupons to take care of myself and my old mom, who is 84 years. Right now I'm talking to you, my mom has come all the way from our village, and she stayed with me. I don't have much money to take care of her. And every day my mom wake up and ask me, "Kwesi, sika na ntia ban duaye. Kwesi, today be me mama otiminchen otifie, menye sika ema emfa nhwe no. E na bewura no ne ho kire na me so me ho kire me. Me masem de mentimi nka. Tini me hia me kan say aban entua meka."
Reiterating the challenges of the pensioners, convener of the group, Dr. Iduan Anientwi, said government must prepare to pay additional interest on the matured principals.
And when we get the payment, you write to government to calculate the interest on those principals and pay. If government doesn't pay, we may have to send the matter to SHRAG and ask a state institution to come and defend us that, look, you can't do that.
The group returns Thursday to continue picketing. James Kwesi Aveji's report read to you.